Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use emojis in Outlook. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, so let's jump into it. So I am using the Outlook web app, but you can also do this on the Outlook app on your computer as well. So first of all, you want to start by replying to an email or just composing a new one. You can type text if you want to, but you don't have to. You can immediately start using the emojis. All you need to do on your keyboard is press the Windows key and also the semicolon key at the same time, and you will get a pop-up like this with emojis. You can see some of the emojis here and click on the arrow or the emoji button at the top. You can then scroll through all these different emojis and search for the specific ones that you want to use. Then when you're ready to use them, just click on them and they will be inserted into your email. Then once you're ready, you can send the email, and there you go. Super simple one. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you would consider leaving us a like and a subscribe, that would be so amazing. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.